Regardless of how much water that you've got stored up in case of emergencies, it's always good to keep that on hand and collect whatever else you can gather. And one of the big things here is rain. And it's not that hard to gather it up in pots and pans and stuff like that, but you need something more versatile, something that you can keep put away and bring out, of course, on a rainy day. Something that's easy to set up, to catch the water, and to store the water. First thing I want you to notice is how convenient this is to store. And what we have here is a 53-gallon collapsible water barrel. Got a nice wide opening here, good liner, and it's got two spigots on here, make it convenient, and also has a top on here that you can zip up, and a hole that can capture the water also. So let's take it outside. And it's got a pretty good opening, but it's only going to capture the water that happens to fall right in the hole here. It's got this flap that zips up. Let me put the phone down. You can see how easy it is for this thing to start immediately capturing water. Zip up the top, filter the water through the screen there. Holds 53 gallons. It's very mobile, so you can take it anywhere you want, and an excellent place to store water as well. And as you can see, in only a couple of minutes, we're already getting our water running off into it. And of course, it'll take some time to fill, but the thing is, you're collecting water, and it's a great way to store it as well. But we can also increase the surface area of collecting water and have it go in there. Let me show you that next move. And this is how you can increase the surface area to catch your rain, and that is to put a sheet out at an angle, so that way when it gets wet and the water starts running off of it, it's going to run into the barrel. I think this barrel is a really great idea for collecting and storing rainwater. I'm actually going to be taking this, packing it back up, and keeping it in my truck as part of my bug out supplies. I'm going to do a few more videos on it later on, but you see how easy it is to store, to use. If you don't have any water sources around, it's really a great device for collecting water and storing it. So check it out, and I think it's a wonderful product myself.